This vehicle can store multiple driver preferences for several systems, including those for climate control, seat position, driver-assistive systems, auto door locking, and more. After completing the setup of the vehicle through the colored touchscreen, upon initial startup, the preferences set by the driver will be stored in the owner profile. An owner icon appears in the upper corner of the touchscreen. Additional profiles for guests and up to 4 more users can be created. Touch the owner icon, then select Change Profile. Next, select Add User and follow the prompts to create the new profile. You can customize profiles by returning to the home screen and selecting Profile Settings. Touch Manage Profile and then select your profile to change the profile name or delete the profile. From the Manage Profile, select Accounts if your vehicle has Google built in. From here, you can manage your Google accounts. Select Change Security Setting to choose whether or not requiring a PIN code to access your settings, and if so, to create the PIN. Touch What's Linked to My Profile to check out your individual setting items. See your vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.